In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice in QuickBooks online. Hi everyone, and welcome. If you need to fix a customer name, update a date, or correct a product line, I'll walk you through the exact path so your records stay accurate. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. From the left menu, click All Apps, then go to Sales and Get Paid, and choose Sales Transactions. On that page, select Invoices. You'll see a list of your invoices. Locate the one you want to update and click it to open the full details. If you have a long list, it can help to sort or filter the view. But the key is simply to open the exact invoice you want to change. In the upper right corner of the invoice screen, click the Edit button. This switches the invoice into an editable form. Here you can adjust the customer, invoice date, products and services, quantities, rates, sales tax, and the overall amount. You can also refine the memo or message field to add context for your customer or for internal notes. As you make changes, QuickBooks recalculates totals automatically, so give those numbers a quick review before you save. Small details matter. Updating the invoice date affects aging reports and due dates, and changing items ensures your sales and inventory reports reflect the correction. When everything looks right, choose how you want to save. Select Save and Close if you're done and don't need to send anything right now. Choose Save and Send if you want QuickBooks to email the updated invoice to your customer immediately. That option is handy when you've corrected pricing or added information your customer needs to see. A quick but important note about paid invoices. If the invoice already has a payment applied, QuickBooks won't let you edit it directly. That's by design, so your accounting stays consistent. In that case, you'll need to delete or void the payment first, make the necessary invoice edits, and then reapply the payment afterward. Be thoughtful here, because removing a payment temporarily affects your receivables and reports. If you're unsure, check with your accountant or bookkeeper before voiding anything. After saving, return to the invoices list to confirm the status and totals reflect your changes. Consistency is key, and a clear memo can help your team understand why the update was made. That's it. You've successfully edited an invoice in QuickBooks Online and kept your records clean and accurate. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.